Good afternoon, Citibank branch. How may I assist you today?
Hi, this is Aisha Khan. I need to speak to someone urgently. I think I've just been scammed.
I'm sorry to hear that, MS Khan. Please don't worry, you've called the right place. Could you walk me through what happened?
Sure, I got a call from someone claiming to be from the bank. They said there was a suspicious transaction on my account and they needed to verify my information. I was caught off guard, so I gave them my card number, expiry date, and even the OTP they sent to my phone.
I see. It sounds like you were roped into a phishing scam. Did they ask for any other personal details?
Yes, they asked for my national ID number too, which I stupidly gave them. As soon as I hung up, I had a gut feeling something was off. I tried calling back, but the number was unreachable.
I understand how distressing this must be, MS Khan. The first thing we need to do is freeze your account to prevent any unauthorized transactions. I'll need to confirm some information on our end.
Yes, please. I'm kicking myself for not realizing sooner. They were very convincing and I let my guard down.
It's important not to beat yourself up about this. Scammers are becoming more sophisticated. Let's nip this in the bud. Could you confirm your account number for me, please? Thank you. I've now blocked your card and flagged your account for any suspicious activity. We're on high alert. Did you notice any transactions you didn't make?
I'm checking now. Oh no, there's a withdrawal for $500 that I didn't authorize.
All right, we'll raise a dispute for that transaction. You'll also need to file a formal complaint with our fraud department. I'll transfer you to them after we finish here.
Thank you. I can't believe I fell for that. I should have known better than to spill the beans like that.
These things happen, MS Con. The key now is to act fast. I'll also advise you to change any passwords related to your online banking, email, and any other accounts that could be linked to your financial information.
Yes, I'm on it. Is there anything else I should do?
It's a good idea to report this to the cybercrime unit as well. They may be able to trace the number or find patterns related to these scams. It'll help them get to the bottom of it.
Got it. Thank you for your help. I'm going to keep my eyes peeled from now on.
Anytime, MS Con. Remember, our bank will never ask for sensitive information like an OTP or full card details over the phone. Always err on the side of caution.
Absolutely. Lesson learned the hard way. Thank you again.
You're welcome. I'll connect you with our fraud department now. Stay safe.